Here's how to customize your home screen. If your iPhone supports iOS 15 or later, try this. You only need 2 apps: Widget Club and Shortcuts. Widgets, icons, wallpapers, all in one app. Complete your phone's makeover. To change icons not supported by Widget Club, use the Shortcuts app. Install the app from the App Store by searching Widget Club. Once installed, open the app. Here's the app's main screen. You can create widgets and icons from the plus button. But we'll use a theme for a quick and stylish makeover. Themes are sets of widgets, icons, and wallpapers. There are about 4,500 themes. Tap a color in popular home screens to filter and find what you like faster. From simple to cute, you'll find a style you love. Badge equals premium theme. No badge equals free theme. Tap to preview. Let's use this theme to start customizing. Tap Set Theme. Tap the widget and set it up. Tip: remember widget numbers like small 01. Set all the widgets you want on your home screen. You can add up to 60 widgets. 20 widgets each for S, M, and L. Here's horoscope widgets. Functional widgets are easy to set up too. This is a calendar widgets. After completing all the setup steps, long press the screen. Tap Add Widget. Search Widget Club. If nothing appears, restart your phone. All widgets you've set up will show up. Swipe right to see bigger sizes. This is an M size widget. The L size one is further right. Tap Add Widget to set it. The preview might not show, but tapping Add Widget will still display it correctly. Repeat the steps. Don't worry about the order. You can rearrange them later. After placing widgets, go back to Widget Club. Let's customize the icons. Left, custom icon. Right, linked app. Uncheck icons you don't want to customize. To change the linked app, tap the one on the right. Apple apps. Pick from the list. Others. Search by name. Done. Tap the icon on the left to rename the app. Once everything's set, tap Set Icons. Tap Download Configuration Profile. Tap Allow. Tap Done, top left. View more. Go to Settings. If the profile doesn't appear, close Settings app, then tap Go to Settings again. Tap More for your iPhone. Profile downloaded, view profile. Tap Install. Tap Done. Popular icons are added to your home screen automatically. Go back to Widget Club and download the rest of the icons. You can also download all icon images at once. Now switch to the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus in the top right. Search and select Open App. Tap App, search, and select the app you want to customize. Let's try setting the phone app. Tap the arrow. Tap Rename. Rename the shortcut. Tap Done. Use any name you like. Tap the 3 dots on the shortcut you made. Tap the arrow, Add to home screen. Check the photo icon, tap Choose Photo. Choose your icon image. Change the display name here if needed. Tap Add, top right to finish. Back to Shortcuts. Tap Done. The shortcut has been saved for your customized phone icon. Repeat the same steps for other apps. Tap plus search, open app. Tap App. Search your app. Tap arrow, rename. Rename. Done. Tap the 3 dots. Tap arrow. Add to home screen. Check photo icon. Choose photo. Pick an image. Edit name. Add. Back to Shortcuts. Tap Done. To hide the original icons, first long press the screen. Move all the icons you want to hide onto one page. Tap the three dots. Uncheck pages to hide them. You can also rearrange pages. Last, let's set the wallpaper. Go back to Widget Club. Tap Download Wallpaper. The wallpaper is saved in Photos. Open lock screen. Long press, tap plus select saved wallpaper. Tap Add top right. Set wallpaper. Tap Done top right. Now rearrange widgets and icons. You can move icons in groups. With Widget Club, you can also create live wallpapers and add video widgets. Style your entire screen with just this one app. Check the link in the description.